So per the text messages, I have to go back and get my rifle from the drop point. If you planned on leaving no evidence, why leave your rifle? If you can break it down and put it into your backpack, as I'm assuming you
why
did to
have
jump
a
off
drop
of the
point?
roof, why put it back together and leave it somewhere?
That makes sense to me, because if you're trying to leave campus and there's a thing going on, like, hey, we got to
Maybe they're checking backpacks.
So here's
okay,
the question.
I'll give you that.
When they said they found the weapon, it was all, when the FBI showed it, it was in one piece. So either he took the time to reassemble a broken down weapon at the drop point. Why wouldn't you leave it broken down?
Or the FBI,
fucking
with evidence.
reassemble it, and that was just tampering with evidence.